Good morning. This is Dr. Sarva Bhattan with Dr. Tyler McClurg, joining our team from Personalized Physical Therapy and Wellness. We are doing a very exclusive virtual golf workshop that is coming up on November 5th. And Dr. Tyler McClurg he goes by TJ, so I'm used to calling him TJ, is going to go through some specific golf-related tips. So, TJ, you want to share what's going on the 5th?
Yeah, so what we're going to talk through is different ways to get warmed up and to stretch before your golf round. So this is for all you golfers that have some type of low back pain, hip pain, or any type of pain who show up to golf rounds 5 minutes before, swing twice, and then are on your round. So we're going to look at some different anatomy regarding why things happen, and then we're going to break that down into your golf swing mechanics, how you may have painful inducing mechanics, and different ways to adjust that, and different stretches to try to work on that.
Awesome. And we're so excited to have TJ on board. He's got a special niche with golf. He's a Titleist Performance Institute certified medical professional, as well as that he has got a lot of background in golf. He's done some research in golf. Do you want to share a little bit about that 3D research?
Yeah, so when I was in school at Elon University, we did a biomechanical research project working on golfers of all type, golfers with strokes, amputations, golfers with disc injuries, and we kind of looked at their golf swing, how physical therapy changed it, and we're able to measure through the 3D biomechanical research how their swings changed, how their club head speed improved, and how we were able to work with them. So it was pretty interesting stuff, and I've been able to carry a lot of that into kind of my practice today.
Awesome. Well, super excited. Feel free to check out the virtual event that is on the Facebook page, and don't forget to register on that Facebook event. And we're going to be, whoever is registered, we're going to send out a Zoom link for you to sign on, and we'll be available to help you injury-proof your game. Look forward to it. Take care.
All right, take care.